Are you looking for more topics for your videos, your speeches, your talks? Here's a tip I use. It's highly effective and I endorse it. Give yourself a strict, rigid deadline every single day to come up with one topic. Just one sentence on something you can talk about. I do that every day at 7 a.m. I write down one new topic that relates to public speaking or speaking to the media or speaking during a crisis. I have an email alert from Google. It sends me an email at 6:50 a.m. And I'm typically up and reading and doing other things then. And right then, I go to my Google Docs for speech topics, and I just don't do anything else till I've written one topic. Just one sentence. And if you just tell yourself you're going to do that every day, you will. Plus, it changes your brain. I'm constantly thinking about things. Oh, I got this deadline tomorrow. There's something I saw on a TV show. I can use that. So it allows you to motivate your brain to be seeking out topics. Now, in the past, I didn't do this, and I would sit down and say, oh, I got to do 30 videos today. Oh, my God. It seemed overwhelming to come up with 30 or 60 topics in one day. But to come up with just one topic a day is really easy. And then you've got this huge pool of topics. Now, I don't have to do all of them. You may look at a topic a week later and think, that's stupid, that's boring, or I've done that before. Okay, don't use it. You still have a huge database of topics to choose from. So that's my advice, whether you do it 7 days a week or 5 days a week or 1 day a week. Give yourself a set time where you're not going to write a whole speech or do a whole video. You're just going to write a topic. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people to speak more effectively. If you'd like more tips, go to my website at mediatrainingworldwide.com and I'll send you a couple of my books at absolutely no charge.